Hi friends! Thank you so much for joining me today for another video. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video and I have a good excuse. I've been sick for the last like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and I have this cough that just hasn't been getting any better. So I still have coughing, so if I cough anytime during the video, I'll try to edit it out so you guys don't have to deal with that. So I missed you and thank you for being patient with me, but yeah, I'm glad to be back and I'm like 99% there. I just need this cough to go away. I know it's like a little bit of a change in scenery for today's video. That's just because I got sick of filming in my little corner and I really have to figure out like a different, situation for my filming, because right now I'm not a huge fan of like my background or anything like that, or lack thereof. So I'm gonna try to figure out something where it'll be a little more visually pleasing and where I'll like feel happy to film in, you know what I mean? So because of that, I am sitting on my bed today, but it's good because I'm comfy. Alright, so as you may have guessed by the title, today I'm gonna do the January favorites video. I know it is the second week of February, right? Second week? Third week? Second week? Closer to mid-February, but I do want to share with you guys what I've been enjoying throughout the course of January. So I have just like a handful of items here, and let's just get right to it. Okay, so the first item, well, I have like a mix of like fashion slash like beauty items in my video. So I'm just gonna go ahead with the thing that I've been most excited and obsessed with, and it's these jeans. I got these jeggings. They're actually jeggings from Target, and it's like their new like jeans brand, Universal Thread. I mean, I don't really know if it's that new. It's been around for at least half a year, I want to say. But they have these jeggings and they're so comfy, and they have these ripped jean detail, which is super cute. And my favorite part about it is that it's high-waisted and of course super stretchy. Like, oh my god, look. Ugh, like that's super stretchy, so I really love that. And I also love the fact that they sell it in like different lengths, so like shorts, longs, regulars. But I definitely go for a short because I am a short-legged girl. So I'm really happy about these jeans. They're so incredibly, I can't talk, incredibly comfortable. Starting to lose my voice. I'm getting too excited. So incredibly comfortable. I love how soft these are, and I actually ended up taking a risk by just ordering them online at Target, because I think the size selection seems to be a lot bigger online. So if you were to go into the store and you can't find the size that you're looking for, I suggest going online at Target. And yeah, if you have the red card, you can get the 2-day shipping free if you spend like over $25, which these are over $25. They're like around $27, $28, which is, not horrible for a good pair of jeans. They're good quality. I feel like these are better quality than Fashion Nova jeans. Like, these feel a little beefier, so I'm really happy about these, and they're really awesome for a girl like me who has the worst luck with pants shopping. I have short legs, but I have big legs, a big butt, but then my waist is small, so even though I wear pants that fit my legs, they don't really fit my waist. So having this high-waisted stretchy pair of jeans that are really cute, I am obsessed. I'm so happy I found these. I hope they keep making jeggings because, yeah, I don't have any time to wear real jeans. Let's get real. Okay, so like now we're gonna move on to some general skincare stuff. I know I've been asked to do a skincare video, which I will do. I do have like a list of videos that I wanna film and show you guys, and I also will be going to Korea at the end of this month, so I'll be doing like a haul and maybe I'll vlog. I don't really know. So because of that, I do have a good list of videos that I want to make, so stay tuned for a skincare video. I will make one soon. I just don't know when, but I will get to it. But anyway, this is something that I discovered just recently. Recently as in like maybe since October. And this is the Burt's Bees Micellar Cleansing Water. It's a 3-in-1. It removes makeup, it cleanses, and it hydrates. So I really enjoy this product. I feel like it does a really good job of getting like grimy stuff off your face, more so than other micellar waters that I've tried. Only thing I don't like about it is the smell. It's supposed to be like with white cypress oil, but it doesn't really smell that great. It almost smells like Clorox with chlorine. I don't know. It's not the most pleasant smell. So if you're looking to get like an experience, you know, like a nice fragrant experience while you cleanse your skin, this is probably not the one for you, but it will do a good job. Plus, this is gentle. It's formulated without parabens, phthalates, SLS or petroleum. I can't even pronounce half these things. Non-Comedogenic, no added fragrance. There you go. That's why it doesn't smell that great. Dermatologist tested, ophthalmologist tested, safe for contact lens wearers. So I really enjoy it. I think it does a good job of cleaning my skin as well as somewhat moisturizing, because I don't feel super dry after using this. Of course, I can never skip moisturizer though. Nevertheless, I really like this. It cleanses your skin really well. Okay, so the next skincare item is this Super Goop Everyday Sunscreen with sunflower extract. It's SPF 50 and this is freaking amazing. Oh my gosh. So the biggest problem I have with like SPF, especially anything that goes above like 40 SPF, is that it leaves like a white cast on your face, and even though you blend it and blend it and blend it, it still looks super nasty and milky on your face, which I am not a fan of, especially for me because I'm not like a super fair skin tone. Like I would say I'm medium to medium dark skin tone, so because of that, I really hate anything that just makes me look ashy or makes me look like super milky or ghosty. So because of that, I always look for sunscreen that's more lightweight, not oily, very easy to just like wear, just like lotion. So this is one of them. And plus, this doesn't smell like ordinary sunscreen. You know, usually sunscreens, they have that smell, you know, like I don't really know how to describe it, but sunscreens have this smell. This doesn't, and this actually smells like lemons and rosemary. It's really pleasant. So I actually look forward to wearing sunscreen every day instead of dreading to wear it. So this is super duper awesome. I believe you can buy this at Sephora. Otherwise, they have their own website, and I'm really eager to check out other products because this is so bomb. I love this so much. Oh, by the way, it's also cruelty-free, non-irritating, and allergy tested, and it's formulated without parabens, synthetic fragrance, or oxybenzone. So none of the nasty stuff, all of the good stuff. I really love it, and it's SPF 50. So SPF 50, that doesn't leave a white cast on your face, that's super easy to apply like lotion. Yes, please. Okay, so the next item is actually a sample. And you know what? I'm gonna be real. I am not the type of person to want to buy like a $90 skincare product without knowing whether or not it's gonna really work for me. So I'm all about samples. And this actually, I think, came in a Sephora order that I made like back in October, and this was one of the samples, and it's the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. And I really like this because it's like a lightweight oil basically, and I just massage it all over my face after cleansing it at night. And actually, I'm about to show you like another item that's in my favorites. It's this tool. I'm sure many of you have heard of it. It's this Jade massage tool called Gua Sha. And I like to use these two together. So I would apply this all over my face, not too much, just enough to have like a slick over my face. And then I would massage it over my face, and I would take this tool and I would just gently kind of do a lymph lymph draining massage with this tool. Just like go over my cheekbones like this several times. Like, of course, start at the forehead, kind of iron out those wrinkles and move fluid down. And then for my chin, I will go like this and just kind of sharpen out that line and move any toxins or just fluids. So basically, I think it helps the blood circulate on your face and just kind of have it work its magic. And also it kind of slims down your face. If you have a puffier face with some water retention, it helps you drain that. I think it actually makes a difference in making my face look a little more like sharp and kind of depuff it, and I really have been enjoying it. I do it almost like every other night or every 2 nights, and you can do it every night if you want to, but I just am too tired to do that, so I do it like every 2 nights, and it works just fine. Going back to this product, I really do like this Midnight Recovery Concentrate because I feel like the next day my skin feels very hydrated, plump, and it feels well rested, which I am really a fan of. It's really good about making your skin really soft and making it feel really like taut and supple and really just like a baby's bottom. So I really like it, and I think I might debate getting an actual size. Like not a teeny tiny size, but like an actual bigger size. So we'll see if I want to drop that much money on it though. Alright you guys, so this last product, I actually did do like a first impressions video on it, like I want to say a couple years ago, maybe last year, I don't really remember, but this is the Voluminous Lash Paradise L'Oreal Mascara, and of course this is in the waterproof version because I really think that waterproof versions make your lashes hold a curl better. So I believe when I filmed my first impressions video, I basically came to the conclusion that this mascara is a little more on the dry side, and you can't, like fresh out of the tube, like brand spanking new, fresh out of the tube, the wand won't perform the way I want it to because it doesn't give me the darkness that I want, and that still is true. That still is true for me. After this tube dries out like a tiny bit, it starts getting really, really awesome. It starts to be like my ideal consistency where it's not too wet, it's not too dry, and it's the perfect amount to give me length and volume at the same time. So I really, really have been enjoying this mascara. It's definitely waterproof. It's not the easiest to remove, but I use my Neutrogena oil-free eye makeup remover and it works just fine. I've been using this since October and this is my second tube. I will say the only con about this is that I feel like this does dry out a little faster than normal. I still really like it, and this is one of my favorite mascaras that I've been using so far. I'm sure you guys already know because this was talked about like crazy like a couple years ago. This is not like anything that's groundbreaking, right? A lot of people know this is a good mascara, but I'm just saying like I've been using it and I really like it. So that's that. Alright you guys, so that is it for January favorites products. You know, like filming favorites products are a little bit tricky because I don't want to share something with you guys unless I'm really, really, really loving it. And so because of that, and because I use the same products pretty much all the time if I really like it, I don't necessarily have like a lot of new products to share with you guys that I've been loving like every single month, which is why I'm not really filming it every month, you know, just trying to keep it real. So because of that, it's been a while since I filmed a favorites video, but I really, really enjoyed doing it today, and I hope you guys will try out some of these products. Honestly, I really love them and I want you guys to find joy in them too. So with that, thank you guys so much for watching and thank you for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Now before I go, I want to remind you guys to be kind to yourselves today and that you guys are beautiful. You guys are amazing. You guys are so incredible and marvelous, and I want you guys to remember that because it's hard to remember that sometimes. We can be our worst enemies. So please remember how awesome you are and just carry that momentum on throughout the day, okay? Alright guys, thank you guys again and I'll see you guys next week. Bye! Mwah.